Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web e-Services. In today's Google Analytics 4 tutorial, we're going to explore how to exclude IP addresses in Google Analytics 4. Let's get started. Sign into your Google Analytics account and select your GA4 property. Click the admin gear icon at the bottom left of the dashboard. Navigate to Data Streams and select a web data stream. Under the web stream details, click Configure Tag Settings. Click on Show More at the bottom of the page to unveil further options. Select Define Internal Traffic and then click Create. Now, create a unique name for your internal traffic rule. Next, enter a descriptive value for the traffic type parameter and add the IP address or range representing internal traffic. Once done, hit Create to save your rule. Step 2 involves creating a data filter. This is how you do it. Go back to the admin section and click on Data Collection and Modifications. Now choose Data Filters and select Create Filter. From the filter types, pick Internal Traffic. This will ensure that all the traffic you define as internal is correctly segmented. Step 3 is configuring your IP address filter. Let's see how it's done. First, give your filter a unique name for easy identification. Next, enter the same traffic type parameter value you created in step 1. Then, set the filter to active to ensure it starts working immediately. Finally, click Create to finalize your setup. Step 4 is all about verification. Here's what to do. First, double-check your filter status to ensure it's set correctly. Second, confirm the IP addresses listed match your internal traffic. Third, test the filter's functionality by observing your real-time reports. Finally, monitor ongoing traffic to ensure your data remains accurate. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more actionable tutorials.